Today I'll be unboxing the Lion King Character Leaf Mystery Pens. These are Loungefly pens that were released back in 2022, and they were a BoxLunch exclusive collection. So the cost was $9.90 per box, and there is one pen in each box. I don't see these listed on the BoxLunch site anymore, so I'm guessing you probably can't get these anymore. It is a 6-pin collection, and the pen designs you can get are Simba, Nala, Timon, Rafiki, Pumbaa, and then one with Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa, and that one is the chase pen. So that one should have some glitter elements to it and be a little harder to find. So let's open them up and see what we get. I have 6 boxes here to open up, which is 6 pens total. I like all of the pen designs, but the one I want the most is the one with Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa. However, since that is a chase pen, that one is going to be a little harder to find. So maybe my goal is just to get 4 out of the 6. Would that be good? So let's see what we get in box 1. So our first pen is Rafiki. Ooh, these are really cool. Decent sized pens. We have Rafiki here. It looks like he's holding whatever that fruit is that he breaks open. He's holding that, and he's sitting there in front of a very cool green leaf. 3 leaves. Very nice, and these are black tone finish, and they have the little crown on the back of the pen. So we'll start off with Rafiki. Let's see what we get next. Let's see. It is another Rafiki. Oh boy. So we're starting off good. So already cannot complete the collection. Didn't think I would anyway with only 6 tries. But let's get somebody different. I mean, Rafiki's cool, but we don't need a 3rd Rafiki. This one feels a little smaller. And it is Timon. So we have Timon in front of those same type of leaves there. Very cool design on these ones. They're like a cute design of the pen. All right. Pen 4. This one feels big. At least the bottom feels big. Oh, it is big. It is. It's Rafiki. Okay, it's not any bigger than those ones, I guess. It's just it was upside down in there, and it felt different, but it wasn't. Hey, we got 3 Rafikis. All right. Well, now we can only get, we can get to 4. We can still get to 4. Okay, still have that goal in front of us here. All right, I see a point. It looks like it could be the top of Rafiki again. And it is! It is a 4th Rafiki. Woo, I've had these pens for almost 2 years now. Good thing I saved them for this. All right, last one. Now this feels a little lighter. I don't know, I think I'm making things up now. And this one is, please be something different. And well, it's not Rafiki, but it is Timon. So we only got 2 pens. Well, I know I only had 6 boxes, but getting only 2 out of the 6, that's not good. That's really not good. So those were the Lion King Character Leaf Mystery Pens. This was a horrible unboxing, getting only 2 out of the 6. Usually with these Loungefly pens, I try to get 8 boxes or 9 boxes, but this time I only had 6 boxes. But even with 6 boxes, you would hope to get more than 2 out of the 6. And really, if I bought 8 boxes, I would probably just have gotten 2 more Rafikis. So do I need 6 Rafikis? No, 4 is good enough. So I am still missing 4 from this collection. And the ones I'm missing are Simba, Nala, Pumbaa, and the chase pen, which is Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa. So those were the 4 I wasn't able to show you today. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.